Is Rollover Strategy the best betting system to consistently win and make daily money with football betting? For those that don't know, rollover betting in soccer involves reinvesting your winnings from one bet into another. African bets companies made this system popular unintentionally through their bet bonuses. How these bet companies do it is that they credit people's accounts with a certain amount, usually a little amount, like demo money. Then they give their customers a condition that the money can be withdrawn only when they bet with that money, and roll over the winning at least 2 more times before they can withdraw the winning as spendable cash. So many smart bettors who have won this bonus discovered that in fact, this rollover betting system can be used to regularly bring in an income if they are smart about it. So rollover betting is all about using your winning to bet again and again, by applying genius methods to multiply benefits or get a desired cash-out goal. I use this strategy too, and I can tell you that it's a great one to compile profits. It is fantastic for making as much as thousands of dollars depending on your stakes, but the risk involved can be tricky. So right now, I will be teaching you how to use it and make extra hundreds of dollars. I'm going to carry you through this process by listing the steps one after the other so that you can understand clearly. The first thing you want to do is set your budget and decide your stable odds. You decide how much you want to start the rollover system with. It could be $10, $50, or $150. Let it be an amount you can afford to lose, in case the worst happens, and for the odds, you want to stick to a consistent figure. The bet companies that give bonuses always require each stake on at least 3 odds, and that's because rolling over on 3 odds 3 times can be difficult to win. So you could stick with regular 2.5 odds or lower, but I prefer 2.5 because it's easy to win for me, and profits stack up quickly. Next, you want to choose a goal and a sequence. Before placing the first bet, you want to choose how much you want to target in your first rollover, and how many sequences or rounds you want to use to achieve your desired goal. For example, if you have a $10 stake that you want to start with, you might want to reach a goal of $150 in 3 rounds with regular 2.5 odds per round. So if you stake your $10 on 2.5 odds for the first round, you are going to make $25. In the second round, if you stake the whole $25 on another 2.5 odds and it becomes a success, you are going to have $62.50, and in the third round, you could have more than $150 if you stake the whole winning in round 2. Take note that after the second round, you can choose to subtract $10 out of $62.50, keep the remaining $52 as profit, and then start again with $10, and if you wish, you could try to decrease your odds as you win in each round. The third and one of the most important steps, if not the most important, is selecting your bets. We have been talking about cashing out regularly and using $10 to make $150, but the money won't multiply magically. So, you need a way of generating good bets whilst targeting your stable odds. What I do to generate my bets for rollover is use the short accumulator strategy. My favorite betting options are double chance, over 1.5 goals, and sometimes straight wins. You need to have at least 2 to 3 favorite markets instead of anyone that comes to mind. This is because the fewer your preferred options are, the more you'll learn from it. If I were to select bets for a 2.5 odds game, I'd select 2 over 1.5 bets and 1 under 3.5 bets, because most well-selected 2.5 odds bets include 3 games. This method is safe for me, but if you don't want to risk having 3 accumulator bets for your rollover, you can use the multi-market, which enables bettors to select 2 betting options for 1 game. For example, if you don't want to use the accumulator method or you think the 2.5 odds system is too risky, you could generate your bet by choosing a game like Osasuna vs Cadiz and selecting the combo option of either team to win and under 3.5. This single game with the combo option could give up to 1.70 odds, and then you can roll over the winning by staking on another 1.70 odds. In the bet selection stage, your knowledge of the best leagues for different betting options will be necessary. But the best leagues don't usually play every day, even though hundreds of football matches are played every day of the week. This is why the knowledge of form analysis is important, so that you will be able to analyze and bet on any football game, even if it's the San Marino League, instead of betting on the best leagues only on weekends. If you want us to make videos on how to analyze over and under goals like a tutorial in our next series of videos, make sure you give this video a like and type yes in the comments section. Back to the rollover system. Please make sure you practice with little money first before you go big. No matter how sure a betting system is in football, always have it at the back of your mind that anything can happen.